I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roux for soup thickening. Start with equal parts fat and flour and measure for consistency. Heat the fat, sprinkle in the flour, and whisk until smooth. Cook longer for deeper flavor and darker color, but remember thicker, roux needs less cooking time once added to liquid. Slowly add warm stock while whisking to avoid lumps and achieve a velvety finish. Pick a fat that complements your soup's flavor and cooking temperature. Butter blends beautifully into creamy chowders and bisques, while oil withstands higher heat for robust stews. Rendered bacon fat or schmaltz brings a savory, smoky note to bean soups and chowders. Keep the fat warm but not smoking, then add flour in one go and whisk briskly to form a smooth paste before cooking to your desired color. Decide the roux color based on desired flavor and thickness. White roux thickens reliably without darkening the soup, while blonde gives a subtle nutty lift. Brown roux imparts rich, toasted notes, yet contributes less thickening per spoonful, so adjust quantities accordingly. Always add warm liquid gradually while whisking, and simmer gently until the soup reaches the texture you want, tasting as you go to balance seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.